Bitcoin's correlation to the S&P has been in unprecedented levels. We hit 44k just like we predicted yesterday's video, and I'll tell you my price targets within this video. So all you have to do if you want to support the channel is slap the like button, or I will slap you subscribe, because we are trying to hit 50k subscribers. My wife told me she will kick me out of the house if I do not get 50k subscribers. So you guys want to help me out here, please help me out here. Before we start, keep in mind that the video is no financial advice, and if you want to trade crypto and win a free Tesla, check the link in the description down below. Sign up for MXC using my link for the chance to win it. The Bitcoin's correlation to the S&P 500 hits 17-month high according to CoinDesk. And the interesting thing is that now we're comparing Bitcoin to the traditional markets, which and one point is a bad thing, and another point, it's actually a really good thing that we're using it not just as a hedge, something different than traditional assets, but also something that you can use in your everyday trading portfolio, that you need to have, something you need to have in your portfolio. So everyone is actually asking the question, are stocks an inflation hedge? And the rising correlation comes as some analysts in traditional financial markets are starting to argue that stocks might actually serve as a decent hedge. I kind of agree with that, but there's some issues we've seen with quantitative easing, because companies could theoretically raise price to protect their marginal profits. This might be correct, we'll see. The cryptocurrency has and they are a hedge, because stocks would rise a little bit more than inflation, because when the Fed print money, they pull it into stocks. What could drive Bitcoin's price higher? Well, everything can drive the Bitcoin's price higher. We know whales bought in at around the 30k area, Michael Saylor, all that jazz. We are definitely printing higher highs right here. All of these are just higher highs. As you can see, we'll look at this, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. And guess where we're going next? We're going higher, in my opinion. Yes, it might take a little bit, but my target for Bitcoin in the foreseeable future is actually 48,000, because we broke above this institutional level. By the way, this is an indicator you can check out in the link in the description down below, that showed me the major institutional level support and resistance zone. So I believe 48k to be the next target for Bitcoin. Let me know if I'm right in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.